Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can connect MetaMask to Google Chrome Android. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile device and make sure that your Google account is signed in. After that, search for Kiwi Browser in the search bar located at the top of the screen. Now tap on this app tile and install it onto your device. Once done, open it up and you will be able to see this type of interface. Here, tap on the three dots icon at top right corner and then select Extensions from the menu. Inside it, tap on the embed and you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Now, search for MetaMask in the search bar at top right corner and a bunch of results will be displayed. Select the first extension and add it to your browser. Once it is added, you will be redirected to the homepage of MetaMask. Simply select the applicable option and you will be able to use it on your mobile device. So that's basically how you can connect MetaMask to Google Chrome Android. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.